Every day you could have hundreds or thousands of people viewing your website, and these are generally warm leads. They've either heard about you from a friend, found you on social media, or they landed on your website after Googling fitness options in their area. While any visitor to your website should find a ton of free content, only those willing to trade their email address should get your special stuff. And this is where having a lead magnet can really help your business. A lead magnet is a piece of content that acts as an incentive that you offer to your prospective customers in exchange for their contact information. But really for us, a lead magnet helps you bring a website viewer into a conversation. Now here's an example from one of the members of our Two Brain family, Jack over at 360 Fitness. When you land on his site, you can scroll around and then you'll see a pop-up with an offer. Get the 13 Fat Loss Secrets ebook. To get the ebook, the prospect just has to put in their name and email. After someone opts in for the ebook, Jack puts these prospects in an automated email nurture and follow-up sequence that provides even more value. And then there's a call to action at the bottom of each email. In most cases, it drives the prospects to book a free consult. Now, this does a few things. Number one, as I mentioned before, the lead magnet helps get the conversation started with your prospective buyers. And two, you're establishing yourself as an authority figure in your space, in your industry. Not to mention, this is going to be critical if you want to differentiate yourself from all the other low barrier offers and advertising noise out there on the internet. And the best way to do that is to play a different game. Show people that you are the expert in your field. Leverage your content so your prospects get to know, like, and trust you. So step one, ask yourself, what is the most common problem that your prospects turn to you to solve? Is it weight loss? Is it back pain? Are your prospective clients looking to improve their sport? Or is it nutrition? Once you find your answer, create a step-by-step guide on how they can solve that problem, and then give it away for free on your website.